everyone, welcome back to another video. It is Friday today, but I'm not working today, so I thought I would come into my little caravan and do a quick painting. Today, or early hours of this morning, a storm blew in off the Atlantic, and parts of Ireland, mainly the northern parts of Ireland and Northern Ireland and the northern parts of the UK, they were really hit the hardest. It hit here by us, you know, I'm further south than that. It did hit here, but not as bad. But yeah, that hit at about 2 o'clock this morning. The worst of it seems to be over now. We are now apparently going to get a mixture of some rain and a wintry mix. So that's some sleet, maybe some snow, maybe some rain, who knows. This weather, it's not fun at all, is it? But yeah, lucky, like I said, the storm hit by us, but not as bad as the northern parts of Ireland and the UK, which I'm grateful for. But I was very nervous about the storm, so I'm glad to see the back of it, glad to see the end of it. And luckily our electricity didn't go off. I know many parts of Ireland doesn't have electricity, so yeah, it's not fun. Anyway, so as you know me, I'm just randomly layering colors into these two cups. And just random. And I'm just putting a little bit of black in between it all. Not too much, because black does tend to take over, as I told you. So just a touch of black in between the colors every now and again. To do is I've got some of the cloud mix left, which is the Decal satin enamels, and I'm just going to drop a little bit in from the height into the middle of both. Like that, and I'm just going to make it sink. There. Can you even see it? I hope you can. Oh, that is an awesome painting. So just go around, cover the edges, make sure they're all covered. Looks fine. Can't see that side. Yeah. Wow. Oh, that is so, so pretty. So, so pretty. So let me take my gloves off. And then I will bring you down and show you. Look at this. Wow, those colors. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at that. Look at that, how bright it is. I mean, look at the... Look at those patterns. It looks so 3D, you know, it looks totally 3D. Look at that. Wow, I am in love with this painting. Absolutely love it. Wow. Turned out better than I thought it would. It really did. I love it. So there we go. Just like that. I mean, it's amazing how easily you can create such a beautiful painting. I mean, you saw me do it in how many minutes? A couple minutes. And look at that. Absolutely awesome. So there we go. That was that. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And yeah, I can't wait to see this painting dry. Of course, I will show it to you when it is dry. Let me show it to you that side there. You can see it without the glare from the window. I will, of course, show it to you when it's dry. And then it'll go into my Etsy shop to be sold to some lucky person. And oh my goodness, it just started snowing. Oh, this weather. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because your support would really mean the world to me. And I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be tomorrow. I'll probably do another painting tomorrow. So, yeah. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye.